Discover a beautiful designer dress. Notice the detailed handcrafted embroidery. The color combination creates a timeless look. Use this design as inspiration.
Discover a beautiful designer dress. It features elegant tailoring and intricate embroidery. Notice the detailed neckline and premium sleeve design. Use this style as inspiration.
Discover a beautiful designer dress. Notice the detailed neckline and intricate embroidery. Every detail reflects quality tailoring. Use this for your next project. Save this design. Discover this elegant designer dress. Notice the detailed neckline, intricate hand embroidery. Fabric combination create a timeless design for your next project. Discover this designer dress, the detailed neck design, the premium sleeve embroidery. Every detail reflects quality tailoring. Use this for your next project. Save this design for inspiration.
Study this elegant dress with intricate embroidery. Notice the detailed neck design, premium sleeve styles for inspiration. Follow for more premium fashion ideas.